So we are wired for fitting in, and often fitting in and living from our authenticity are at odds because our brain has strong wiring for safety, which means being like others that are around you in the tribe. If you're the zebra by itself off, then you are going to get chosen by the lion, oftentimes. But most often we have given up our authenticity to fit in. And we can wake up decades later realizing that we've lost our spark of joy. We don't have any authentic power, like churning in our creativity. We don't ever feel vulnerable in ways that are healthy and visible. And that is a crusher in life. Like it drains the vitality out of us. So this journey of embracing and living from our authentic self asks us to face our resistance and fear. But there's no shame in our resistance and fear. It's how the brain works.